Good morning, Bulldogs. This tutorial is to show you how to use your smartboard to record a lesson that you can upload into your learning platform or to YouTube. So how you get to the smart recording is if you go down to where you find all of your programs, and this is one way to access it. Find Smart Technologies and select Smart Recorder. That's going to open up this box right here. The red button will allow you to start recording, and you have different options. It's going to default to recording your desktop. You can also record an area or record a window. You'll have to play around and figure out which one works best for you for the lesson that you are teaching. So once I want to start recording my lesson, let's say here's a PowerPoint presentation that I have up. I'm going to put it in presentation mode, and I'm going to start recording my lesson. So I can go through my presentation, I can talk, you can pause your recording on your smartboard and then resume. You can also write on your smartboard, so anything that you do on your smartboard is going to be recorded. Yes, you're welcome. Are we working in here today? No, I'm actually recording on here, so you're gonna be on my recording, but that's okay. No, you're fine. So you can see anything that you say, like other people. You'll be able to hear students that are recording. But when you write on your smartboard, it will also be recorded. So when you're finished, you just press stop, and it's automatically going to take you to a place where you can save your document down. You can save it just like any other document. I'm going to save mine to my staff development folder. And I'm going to call this my It will take it a little bit to create the video file. And click OK, and it should be saved down. And then from there, you can upload it, like I said, to YouTube or to your learning platform.